What is human rights reporting? Why is human rights an important story to tell? Let's start with the definition of human rights reporting. Human rights reporting is recording and analyzing information on human rights issues. Now that's the simple definition, but really, it's not that simple. May mahalagang dahilan kung bakit kailangan nating ihayag ang mga kwentong ito. Human rights reporting gives out the true and realistic information on human rights issues and presenting findings that bring out concerns about a human rights problem. Ang end goal ng human rights reporting ay mas malalim, to defend the rights of the abused and make the abusers accountable. Parang Justice League. Now let's learn why it's important for media to report about human rights. All rights and duties of a journalist originate from the right of the public to be informed on events affecting their lives. Ika nga, it is the utmost role of the press to inform the public about the problem and call out authorities para papanagutin sila and make them accountable or prod them to take action. Alam mo na minsan, kung hindi kinakalampag, walang aksyon. Kaya huwag magdalawang isip pumuna dahil may karapatan ng media na gawin ito. Hindi lang karapatan, obligasyon pa. If media does not call out injustice, ano pa silbi nito? Human rights reporting also aims to spark conversations about human rights issues and promote awareness to the public. Kailangan kasing pag-usapan ng human rights, paulit-ulit hanggang maging bahagi ito ng kaisipan at kamalayan. And more than knowing human rights, it is also equally important to defend it. Societies are fragile at mabilis magbago ang mga pananaw at paniniwala, lalo na't may social media na maituturing na purveyor of fake news. That's why we have to stand our ground. Mahirap na, baka tuluyan ng magunaw ang katotohanan at ang human rights. Remember, nangyari na ito sa ibang bansa. Kaya don't stop talking about it. At dahil na pag-uusapan, mauudyok din ng mga stakeholders mula sa pamahalaan, civil society, press at pangkaraniwang mamamayan na ipaglaban ang karapatang pantao. Lahat tayo may paki dito, lalo na ikaw.
Ba't ako?
Anak ka ng human rights. Kung walang freedom of speech and opinion, sa tingin mo ba may media? As you are a product of human rights, you must do everything in your power to promote and protect these rights. The media is also the voice of the people. Kapag nawala ang media, mawawalan din ng boses ang publiko. Lastly, your opinion matters. Isa sa mga pinakamahalagang misyon ng mga journalist ang tumulong para makabuo ng opinyon o kuro-kuro ang publiko sa mga isyung nakakaapekto sa kanila. Kaya hindi sapat ang paglatag lang ng facts. What do these facts mean? That's why context is king para makatulong ka sa audience mo in making informed choices and forming opinions on matters affecting them most.